Hi, Nils. 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 So, do you like ice cream cones?
Oh. It's okay.
Should we get some ice cream cones, Nils? Are you sure you don't want to go to Dairy Queen and get ice cream cones?
It's okay. You can come out. We won't eat any ice cream cones.
Mom.
Yeah.
I know.
Good boy.
Nils, should Beast have an ice cream cone?
Mom.
Are you afraid of ice cream cones, Nils?
Mom.
Should we stop torturing you about ice cream cones?
Mom.
Okay. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.